we have to find the sum. We have addition of integers with different signs. So first we check which of number is greater. 17 and 21 we have. 21 is greater than 17. So next we check the sign before the greater number. We have negative 21. So we copy this negative sign, we open parentheses, and we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 21 minus 17. So this is equal. We rewrite negative sign, and 21 minus 17 is 4. So the answer is negative 4. Next example, we have addition. We have negative 18 plus 8 plus 9. So first we can add 8 and 9. Negative 18 we rewrite, and we have plus 8 plus 9 is 17. Now we have addition of negative integer and positive. First we check which of them is greater. 18 is greater. The number 18 is greater than 17. We forgot about negative sign and just compare the numbers. 18 is greater than 17. Before 18 we have negative sign, so we copy the negative sign, and in parentheses we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 18 minus 17 in parentheses. So negative sign we have to rewrite. 18 minus 17 is 1. So this is my solution to the second example. And the last we have 23 plus negative 23. Again, positive sign and negative. You have to memorize positive and negative. It's just like multiplication. Positive times negative give you always negative sign. So we can rewrite this expression that this is 23 positive and negative give me negative minus 23, and we have plus 100. So this is equal 23 minus 23. So this is 0 plus 100 is 100. This is my solution.